Have you ever looked at your family and wondered who you take after more, your mom or your dad? We often hear it's a 50-50th split, but what if I told you that for boys, it's not quite that simple? Believe it or not, sons actually inherit slightly more DNA from their mothers than their fathers. It sounds strange, but it all comes down to some fascinating biology. Let's break it down. First, we need to talk about two different types of DNA. Most of our genetic material is what we call nuclear DNA, stored in the nucleus of our cells. For this, yes, you get about half from each parent. But there's another type, mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA. This is the powerhouse DNA inside our cells. And here's the cool part. Everyone, both boys and girls, inherits 100% of their mitochondrial DNA exclusively from their mother. It's passed down through the egg cell, while the sperm doesn't contribute at all. Now, the mitochondrial genome is tiny, only about 37 genes, but it's a little extra, genetic material that comes straight from mom. But the biggest reason for this maternal bias in boys lies in our sex chromosomes. If you're a girl, you inherit two X chromosomes, one from your mom and one from your dad. These X chromosomes are pretty similar in size and carry a lot of genetic information. But if you're a boy, you get an X chromosome from your mom and a much smaller Y chromosome from your dad. The X chromosome is a genetic giant, packed with over 1,000 genes, while the tiny Y chromosome has fewer than 200. So when you do the math, a boy receives a lot more genetic data from his mother's large X chromosome than from his father's small Y chromosome. When you combine the exclusive maternal mitochondrial DNA with the larger X chromosome from mom, it adds up. Overall, boys end up with roughly 51% of their DNA from their mother and 49% from their father.